If you're finding it hard to shoot videos for your YouTube channel, trust me, you aren't the only one. My clients and my students struggle all the time with trying to get the time to actually stay consistent on YouTube. Well, don't worry, because in this video, I'm gonna break down my YouTube workflow and how I plan YouTube videos that help me save time through the process. Hi, my name is Trina, and on this channel, I help creative entrepreneurs just like you figure out how to use YouTube in your business strategy. So if you already have a business, there's probably a lot of things that you have got to do every day to keep it running, whether it's blogging, posting to Pinterest, sending newsletters, Facebook Lives, all of these things that you've got to do to bring money into your business. And so when somebody talks about YouTube, you think it sounds great and you know you want to do it, you know the video content is valuable, but you're not sure how you're gonna have time.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
Maybe you have kids, maybe you have a side project, maybe you already work full-time and your business is your side job, but you know you've somehow got to incorporate video. I'm gonna walk you through the process that I use to create my YouTube videos, and I just film one day and I am done for the month. Actually, after I'm done filming today, I'm gonna be done for the next 2 months. So let me walk you through how I plan my YouTube videos. So the first thing that I do is I will look at all the questions that I've got, all the questions I've seen in Facebook groups, emails, and also look at what other people are currently doing on YouTube. And I'll just do a brain dump. I love to use Trello for this process because I can keep everything in one spot and not worry about having different ideas and multiple notebooks. So if I'm traveling or if I'm working at a coffee shop, I know I've got it all in one central location. So as these ideas pop into my head, whether I'm driving and I just do a quick voice note at a stop sign, or I'm working and it pops into my head, I keep them all in a brain dump list. So the best strategy to save you time is to batch these tasks, because if you're switching from hat to hat, you're losing IQ points. So you want to stay in one zone of genius for a certain amount of time. I like to schedule about 3 hours to plan out 2 months worth of video content. So I will go into my calendar if you want to see how I actually calendar block my schedule to do this. I'll link that video down below and right up above, but I will block a section of my calendar for just researching videos. And then during that time, I will set a timer around 15 to 20 minutes per video to research. And what I'm looking for here are potential title ideas, potential tags, potential thumbnail ideas, and the content that I want to share. So I'm putting that all in the card that I created in Trello and moving it to the research list. So I'll go through and I'll research at least 10 of those videos so I have all the preliminary work done. Then I'm going to schedule another block of time to script these videos. Now, I don't go into great detail scripting because I find if I focus on writing my script word for word, I get more stressed out. I'm not able to deliver the content more as myself. I'm worried about saying everything perfectly. So what I will do is I will script my hook because I want to make sure I grab your attention in the beginning, and then do bullet points that I want to talk about so I stay on track and it all pulls back to that title, because I want to create the title of the video before I even script my content. So again, I'll take a chunk of time to just script these videos. Now you can space this out through a week, through a month. I tend to like to do this in a week. So say Mondays, I'll block a chunk of time to research it in the morning, and then in the afternoon, block a chunk of time to script it. From there, it's gonna be time to film. And I know I need an empty house, and I know it needs to be not too sunny and not too rainy. So I will tend to shoot on Mondays or Wednesdays because my kids are at my in-laws. Now, since I've already planned these videos out, I know what I want to say, I have them on my Trello board, I just grab a bunch of different shirts from my closet and start filming those videos. The night before, I charge my camera batteries. I have 2 batteries so that I can make sure I get these done back to back to back. What I will do is I will hit record on my camera and on my mic, which I have sitting here, and I will shoot the whole video, okay? When I'm done with that particular video, video 1, I'll turn the camera off, stop recording the audio, change my shirt, and then I'll film the second video. And when I'm done filming the one, I will move it over into the filmed list in my Trello board. So I know that video is filmed and ready to be edited. So then I'll shoot that second video, okay? And then once I'm done with that second video, I will turn everything off, move that card over, shoot the third one. It just makes it a lot easier to keep everything all on one video file when you edit. I can do about 10 videos in 3 to 4 hours, and I'm not creating epically long videos. They tend to be around 5 to 10 minutes a piece. There's no particular perfect length for a video. You just want to make sure you're sharing good content and not fluff content. Get out what you want to share, what you want people to learn, and however long it's going to be is however long it's going to be. So that's like the biggest chunk of shooting videos, is just filming them. And then once I film them, they're all ready to be edited. I'm at the point now where I outsource my editing, but when I was editing, I did that all on a chunk of time too, so I could get them all done and uploaded to YouTube so that they're all scheduled out in advance and I didn't have to worry about them anymore. But now that I have a video editor editing them, I will send them to him. We have a Google Drive shared folder. I will upload all the content, the video file, the audio file, and any B-roll to the folder listed for the date that video is meant to go live. He goes in there, does his magic. Then I can just upload it to YouTube. I've also outsourced my thumbnail process. That's another chunk that you will want to batch, is doing those thumbnails. But now I will take a bunch of photos of myself in the shirt that I filmed in and send it to my graphic designer. And she has a lot of different templates that we use that she can quickly turn it around and get it to me so that I can have my content done. And as I'm going through this, I'm moving my Trello card through each list so I know exactly where things are. My editor's communicating through me on that card, so everything is right there. From there, it's just uploading to YouTube. And then a crucial point at the end is after your video has been up for about a week or two, you want to analyze that video. You want to look at the thumbnail click-through rate. You want to look at the analytics. And so I'll move my card over into my analytic review just to make sure I take the time to look at that. And you can see on my Trello board, I have a checklist of 52 things that I go through to make sure I do everything right. But it totally helps me save time because I know exactly what I need to do. Now, if you want my Trello board, it's actually for sale. I'm launching it today just for people who want to use YouTube but want to save time doing it. Head over to trinalittle.com/YouTube workflow. It's over there for you to grab right now for sale. All you have to do is purchase it. I will send you the link. You copy the board, and now you have my exact workflow, checklist by checklist, and an example of how to work through that to help you save time doing YouTube videos. Make sure you jump over there to buy because I'm not sure how long I'm leaving it up for. It's something I know a lot of people are asking for, so I wanted to offer it to see if you would like it. So click the link on your screen right now to buy, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for new videos every Monday and Wednesday to help you use YouTube in your business strategy. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!